Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SENS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this case, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today was a very strong move from where the price was going into today versus where it closed right there. I think any rational person would say, yeah, this was definitely a nice move on the bull's part. But that does lead to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of kind of knee-jerk reaction, fake breakout type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area on the chart is right here at, what is that, $2. Actually, let's just give a little more wiggle room, $2.50. Why is $2.50 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with true strength, a breakout, that's a true breakout, well, the price is going to keep on breaking out. Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement has true power and is a breakout, it's not going to go back to where it was because that would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $2.50. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would be putting the price right back inside of this range that it's just broken out of. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, let's just pretend, and then something like this. So even after a pretty drastic pullback like that, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this base of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress over time. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying, quote unquote, make progress as $2.50. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to talk about those because in my opinion, that's not a top priority. Top priority for the chart right now is just simply go through healthy consolidations and build higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So no doubt about it, very nice move today. We'll see how this all unfolds next week.